Musili munene wa makoani Muwandu Martha Koome niwaumya witano nzama ya unyuvani na mivaka Iebc na ene ianda kivathukan'yo maunduni meukonia Usakuani kuikiithya nimeyumbanisya Usakuani wa mwaka wa 2017 Kwi Tene aiweta kana kwiyumbanisya Usakuani nikuvikiia kumanenga akenya muikiio wa kuatiiwa kwa miao. Haine na kauntini ya Mombasa ikomanoni ya 38 ya nzama ya kuungamia aki. Koome ni wakule mivyayo nde kuyumbania undu vailite kwa kuatiia katiba kulumilia aki sia kiuteti kwene nthi onthe na kuikiithya ngusanisyo siukonia maundu mautongoi nisiavikiia kuthinikwa kwa aki na matena kuselewa. Angelina Mose ena ilivoti.
Musili wa makoani Muwandu Martha Koome nene ikomanoni ya 38 ya ngwatano ya maundu maaki niwawetekana kwiyumbanisya Usakuani munene Kwi Tene nikuvikiia kuikiithya akenya nimethiwa na muikiio wa Usakuani wina utheu na umilu ovumwe na kuikiithya katiba nikavikiia kuatiiwa undu vailite.
As we look ahead to the 2027 general elections, the National Council on the Administration of Justice must continue early preparations. Election preparedness extends beyond electoral management. It encompasses the readiness of the entire justice sector to uphold constitutionalism, the rule of law, to protect the rights, especially of the vulnerable, to manage disputes efficiently, and preserve public confidence in the rule of law.
Niwakulia ene ianda kivathukan'yo nzama unyuvani na mivaka Iebc kuikiithya nimeyumbanisya Usakuani wa mwaka wa 2017 Kwi Tene nikana kuikiithya aki ya maundu ma Usakuani kwi akenya niavikiia kukwatikana vatena isiei.
I encourage the NCJ Election Preparedness Committee to continue providing leadership in facilitating coordinated planning among all our justice sector institutions.
Nzama ya maundu maaki niawetekana niende na kuikia malonyo mwanya na kumakoni ene ianda kivathukan'yo nikana kwiyumbanisya Usakuani munene wa mwaka ukite.
Be discussing election preparedness. It is extremely critical for a country that we put in place all our resources, all our laws and structures, all the processes that are in place, the individuals and institutions to have their capacity built, to have upskilling, and even the Law Society of Kenya. One of our sub-themes in the annual conference we'll be having next month is on election preparedness, because we want all professionals to be able to play their actual role to ensure free and fair and verifiable elections.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.